Today we are going to hack into Windows XP Service Pack 2 with the help of Quick FTP Pro 2. TFTP Pro 2.0.1. So here is my target machine, and I have already installed Quick TFTP Server Pro 2.1. It is a trial version. I will give you the link in the description of the video. So here you can see my TFTP server and telnet server is already starting. Basically, this version has a problem in TFTP server or vulnerability in TFTP server, and we are going to exploit it. So let's go to our Kali Linux machine. So I'm opening my msfconsole. So you have to take care of few things here. First of all, if you are following our practicals, then we have performed the practical on 3com server in our last video. So if you have installed 3com server, you have to disable its service, otherwise it will this exploit will not work. So go to the 3com TFTP server and disable its services by right clicking it, going to properties, and its status should be stopped. If the service is working, then you will not get your exploit working. So now I will return to my Kali Linux machine, and first of all I will use this exploit /Windows/TFTP Pro mode, and going into info command. So it says this module exploits stack overflow in the quick TFTP Pro server product, and going to options. So it is a remote based exploit. So I could type the remote host. My IP address of this machine is 1.4. Let me check once again. So 1.4 is the IP. This is Windows XP Service Pack 2. So now we are going to type here set host 192.168.1.4, and we are typing here run. So new screen interpreter session is opened. So I'm going to take control of this machine. So once you have taken the taken the admin access, you can do anything you want. Just go to the help command, and you can do. We have already done this command getsystem. If your target is a laptop, you can record the mic, or you can do various things like screen share. You can take screenshot. You can disable and enable keyboard with this command UICTL, which is covered in already in our previous videos. So you can take the shell access and make a folder. You can reboot a PC. So in this video, I am going to run this command ps. So ps means it will extract all the processes that are running on the system. And for example, I am opening this file. This is an empty file, and the process that is opened is Notepad. So I will again go to my Kali Linux and execute the ps command. So here we can see, we will have to see whether notepad.exe. Yes, this is the notepad.exe, and I can kill it from my remote machine like this kill command and typing the process ID, that is 108. So you can see here the process is already closed. So this is the way hacking works. Thanks for watching.